In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a reminder in Slack. Managing reminders in Slack is a useful feature, particularly when you have numerous tasks and deadlines to keep track of. Yet there are times when a reminder is no longer necessary, and knowing how to delete it can help keep your workspace neat and avoid unnecessary notifications. Let's go through the process from start to finish, ensuring it's clear and straightforward. The first thing to do is open Slack and head to your workspace's homepage. Once there, you'll notice the left-hand side panel, which is your handy hub for navigation in Slack. Now, within this side panel, look out for the icon labeled Reminders. Clicking on this icon will take you to the section where you can view all your scheduled reminders. For today's walkthrough, let's start fresh by creating a new reminder. This will also illustrate the steps for anyone unfamiliar with this feature. To create a new reminder, simply type the command to set a reminder. This can be something like, remind me to submit the report at 2 p.m. Make sure your input includes the task and the time for the reminder. Once you've typed in the information, you can proceed to create the reminder. Now that our reminder is set, let's turn our attention to deleting it. Look for an area on the screen where your reminders are listed. Once you're there, find the specific reminder you want to delete. It's often alongside your other tasks or messages in the interface, so ensure you're looking at the right section within the reminder view. Having located your reminder, find the three dots icon associated with it. In many apps, these three dots indicate a menu with more options, and Slack is no different. Click on this icon to reveal various actions you can take related to the reminder. Now that the menu has expanded, look for the option that says Delete Reminder. Clicking this will prompt you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm, and just like that, the reminder will be removed from your list. Deleting unwanted reminders not only reduces clutter, but also helps you focus on tasks that truly demand your attention. It's a small action that can contribute greatly to maintaining an organized and efficient workspace. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now deleted a reminder in Slack, ensuring your workflow remains as streamlined as possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy task managing.